Welcome to the Weekly Focus English.
Week 12, Smart Cities 2027, AI-driven automated recycling. By 2027, forward-thinking smart cities will introduce advanced AI-driven waste systems to improve urban living. Neighborhood bins will automatically sort glass, plastic, and compostable waste using optical sensors. This innovation prevents landfill overflow, reduces city management costs, and encourages citizens to participate easily in daily environmental conservation.
You know that moment when you're standing in front of like 3 different colored bins with a plastic coffee cup?
Oh, yeah, totally.
And you're just wondering, does the lid go in recycling and the cup goes in the trash? It feels like taking a pop quiz you never studied for.
Right. The classic recycling panic.
Exactly. Well, welcome to today's deep dive. We are looking at a text called Smart Cities 2027, AI-driven automated recycling. And it proposes a radical fix to this exact anxiety.
Yeah, like what if the trash can did the thinking for you?
Right. So our mission today is to explore how artificial intelligence is stepping out of the digital cloud and onto our, literal neighborhood streets to solve urban waste.
It is just a complete overhaul of civic infrastructure. I mean, the core innovation outlined here is that by 2027, forward-thinking cities are preparing to roll out these advanced neighborhood bins.
Okay, let's unpack this.
So they are equipped with specialized optical sensors to automatically sort glass, plastic, and compostable waste, literally the second you throw it in.
Wait, so it's like having a highly efficient mini recycling facility right on your street corner, doing all that tedious mental gymnastics for you.
Basically, yeah.
But okay, I'm a bit confused here. If this thing just relies on an optical sensor to, look at the trash, what happens if I throw in a plastic cup that's still half full of, like, an iced latte?
Ah, right, the liquid contamination issue.
Yeah, because a basic camera might see the plastic, sure, but wouldn't the liquid still spill and contaminate the paper or compost streams? I mean, how does just looking at our garbage actually solve the contamination problem?
Well, that is the real genius of the engineering. And what's fascinating here is how these sensors actually operate, because we aren't talking about, a standard digital camera just snapping a photo.
Oh, they're not?
No, not at all. These bins actually utilize near-infrared light. So think of it kind of like the facial recognition on your smartphone.
Okay, I'm with you.
But instead of mapping the contours of your face to unlock a screen, the AI is using infrared to map the actual chemical signature of the waste. Oh, wow. So it's performing an instant chemical analysis on the fly.
Exactly. The computer vision models powering these bins, they're trained on millions of infrared scans of crushed, dirty, complex items.
So it just knows.
Yeah, it knows the exact chemical difference between a PT plastic bottle, a compostable bioplastic cup, and the dairy liquid sitting inside of it.
That is wild.
Right. Because right now, municipal recycling is completely bottlenecked by human wish cycling.
Wish cycling. I love that term. Like when we toss that complicated plastic-lined paper cup into the blue bin and just hope for the best.
Yes, exactly. And that single human error, it ruins entire batches of recyclables.
Right.
So by shifting the burden of accuracy away from human compliance to infrared AI mapping, this system attacks that bottleneck right at the source.
So we solve the household sorting problem and actually save the raw materials. That makes sense. But, I mean, outfitting every street corner with infrared AI robotics has to cost an absolute fortune.
Oh, sure.
So why would a city invest the capital to do this? Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, we see that this isn't just a feel-good environmental initiative, right? It is a massive economic strategy.
Oh, so it comes down to money.
Always.
Yeah.
Cities currently just hemorrhage money on the back end. They pay these exorbitant manual sorting fees and massive landfill penalties when contaminated truckloads have to be, thrown out.
Oh, because of all our wish cycling errors.
Exactly. By making the intake process foolproof, cities completely bypass those back-end processing costs.
I see.
The text argues that the upfront hardware investment pays for itself rapidly, basically by slashing a municipality's overall waste management overhead.
Wow, so it's basically saving the city millions by engineering human error out of the equation entirely.
Yeah, precisely.
And for you listening, I mean, it fundamentally changes your daily relationship with your own environmental footprint.
Oh, absolutely.
Because the technology makes participation completely effortless.
Right.
It encourages you to engage in conservation every single day without the usual fatigue.
You don't need a PhD in local recycling ordinances anymore.
Right. You don't have to stress about whether your takeout container is a number 5 or a number 7 plastic. You just toss it in, and the machine handles the complex chemistry.
It completely removes the friction. Yeah, it makes the right choice the only choice.
Which is amazing.
It is. But that flawless categorization raises a pretty important question to leave you with.
Wait, which is?
Well, think about it. If our neighborhood bins become smart enough to optically scan, chemically analyze, and perfectly categorize every single item we throw away,
Yeah.
what happens to the privacy of our daily consumption habits once our trash becomes trackable data?
Oh, wow. That is a whole other level of Big Brother to think about.